Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain all about TreeMap. Before going to discuss about TreeMap, we should know what is map, how the data is stored in a map. So map is an object which is available in a java.util package. So generally the map is used to store the data in a key and value pair format. Now coming to the tree map. Tree map is the subclass of sorted map interface and map interface. So the tree map is derived from both map and sorted map interface. The tree map stores the data in a sorting order according to the natural sorting order, which is implemented based on a red block tree. So the internal mechanism of tree map is implemented based on red block tree. That's why the data is sorting according to the red block tree. Main points of tree map. Tree map stores the object based on keys. Tree map stores only unique elements. That means the tree map does not allow duplicate keys. Tree map maintain the data in a ascending order. So it will arrange the data in ascending order, and tree map is not synchronized. So if you want synchronized tree map, we can use synchronized tree map method. So tree map does not allow null keys, but it allows multiple null values. Now coming to the methods of tree map. First one is put method. Put method is used to add the element into the tree map. Put all method. Put all method is used to add the element of a specified object to the other tree map object. Suppose if you want merge two objects to tree map object, then we can use the put all method. It will merge both the object data. Get method. Get method is used to return the values associated with a specific key. Suppose if you want to get the data from the tree map object, we can use the key, and based on the key it will return the corresponding value. First key method. First key method return the first key of the tree map. Last key method. Last key method is used to return the last key of the tree map object. Remove method. Remove method is used to remove the specified element which is associated with a specific key. Based on the key we can remove the elements. Contains key method. The contains key method will check if the tree map contains a specific key or not. If it contains, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Then coming to the contains value method. Contain value method will check if the tree map contain a specified value or not. If it will return true, that means it will contain the specified value, otherwise it will return false. Size method. Size method is used to check the size of the tree map. Is empty method. Is empty method is used to check if the tree map is empty or not. If it is empty, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Clear method. Clear method is used to clear the all the elements of tree map object. Now coming to the operations of tree map. So how to add element into the tree map? Here we are creating the tree map object. Here we are adding four elements into the tree map. Now I am displaying the tree map object data. So how to add one tree map object element into and the tree map? So here I am creating one more tree map object. I am adding two more elements into the tree map 2 object. Now here I am using put all method to merge the data of tree map 1 data into tree map data 2 data. Now here I am printing the tree map 2 object. Here it will display both the here the four elements, and in addition to the four, these two elements also displayed. How to retrieve the element from the tree map? We can use the get method to get the data from the tree map object. So here we are getting the corresponding value of 104 key data. So how to get the first key of the tree map? We can use the first key method to get the first key of the tree map object. It will return the first key. Here how to get the last key of the tree map? We can use the last key method to get the last key of the tree map object. Now coming to the remove method. How to remove the element from the tree map? we can use remove method to remove the data. So based on this key, it will remove the data. So how to check the tree map is empty or not? We can use isEmpty method to check if the tree map is empty or not. If it is empty, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. How to find the size of the tree map? We can use the size method to find the size of the tree map. So how to clear the element from the tree map? We can use clear method to clear all the element from the tree map object. Now I am going to show you the simple example of tree map. Just go to Eclipse, create a new class. And the class name is tree map example. Just select the main method, click on finish. I am going to remove the unwanted comments. Here I am going to import java.util package. So now I am going to create a tree map object. So I want to take key as integer and value should be string. Here I am going to create emp data, my object name. Here I am going to create a so here I am creating the tree map object and I want to add the element into the tree map. So for adding the elements I can use put method, and here the key should be I want to take 101 and the value should be a hash. So now I want to add one more element. Here I am taking Babu and the key should be 102, and I am going to add one more element like 103, 104. 103 is Rama, 104 is Krishna. So now I am going to print the tree map object. So here I am printing the tree map object. I am going to run the program, run a Java application. So here you can see tree map is displayed. Now I want to use the put all method. For using that put all method, we have to create one more tree map object. Object name is emp data 2. So in this tree map, I want to add two more elements. So here 105, 3. I want to add one more element 6 was. So now I am going to use put all method emp data 2 dot put all. So here I am passing the emp data object. Now I am going to print the emp data 2. So here it will display both this data and this data. Totally it should display 6 elements. So here we can see 6 elements are printing. So next I'm going to use get method to get the data from the tree map. So now I'm going to use the get method system.out.println emp data dot get of. I want to pass the key is no, not 4. So here it will display the 104 data. Krishna it should display. Here it is display Krishna. Now I am going to use remove method. I want to remove the 103 elements. So system.out.println emp dot remove. So here I want to pass 103. So it should display Rama from the tree map object. So here we can see Rama is deleted Suppose if you print here is emp data into Rama is not available in this TreeMap object. So if you observe here 103 is not there, so Rama is deleted from the map. So now I am going to use here I want to use first key method. So I want to use first key method. So it will display the first key of the map. So if you run the program, it will return the first key is 101. So I want to use last key. So instead of first, we can pass last key. We will return the last key of the map. So the last key is 104. So now I am going to use the isempty method. So I am going to use emp data dot is empty method. It will check if the map is empty or not. If it is empty, it will return true, otherwise it return false. So false because the map already contain data. So now I'm going to use size method. Emp data dot size. So it will return the size of the map object. So here it will display 3 because already we have removed one more elements 1 or 3, that's why it is written 3. So now I am going to use the clear method. So now I am going to print the emp object. Now we can see either the map is cleared or not. So here we can see the map is cleared, that's why data is not there in the map object. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.